Now, let's see the benefits that Universal Devices 7SX82 can bring to your new or existing installations. Talking about spare parts, with the 7SX82 it is possible to optimize them as it is no longer required to keep complete type-related devices on stock. Only the basic hardware and communication modules needs to be stored and assembled when needed. This benefit is even bigger when the variety of basic modules is minimized, like for the 7SX82. For new installations in distribution networks or in industrial plants, the use of one device for all type of feeders brings not only a spare part optimization but supports also the efficiency in the engineering process by user-defined application template and favorite settings. Independent if a motor or a capacitor bank is connected in a feeder or the main protection must be an overcurrent, a line differential or a distance protection or a combination of these principles, the 7SX82 can cover all that. In many industrial plants, feeders are using load break switches with fuses. The main task for the used IED is not to protect the feeder that is covered by the fuse, but to provide bay controller functionality with some minor protection features as thermal overload. Up to now there was no dedicated bay controller available in the Star 82 SIPROTEC5 family. With the 7SX82 you will be able to cover this requirement and save costs. As it is delivered without any pre-selected protection functionality, it can offer a cost-efficient solution to provide bay controller functionality. Up to now you needed to use the bigger 6MD85 relay, which comes with a higher price. The next use case shows you the advantage, especially for panel builder. They must be able to react very flexible and fast in their projects. With the Universal Relay 7SX82 they can keep their stock smaller, and they can start the panel assembling and wiring for their projects at a very early stage. When the project reaches the design freeze and the protection functions and settings for each device are clarified and finished, they can use the FP Manager to generate and load the necessary function points into the devices. As final step, the configuration is transferred into the devices, either with DIGC5 in case they are doing the engineering by themselves or if they are working with engineering partners via SIPROTEC tools. In case it is necessary to add or replace in existing installations a SIPROTEC5 device, the 7SX82 brings also benefits. All the listed type-related Star 82 SIPROTEC5 relays can be replaced very easy by a 7SX82. When using the TEA-X file, the existing parameterization can be transferred from the device which needs to be replaced, and that is working not only for the Star 82 SIPROTEC5 family members but is also possible for other SIPROTEC5 types as the 6MD85 or 6MD86 bay controller. Remember the example in our use case 1. How to react if there are changes in the grid. Imagine that the line was protected with a distance relay and now a communication from the local station to the remote end has been added and the line should be protected with a line differential protection, or in an industrial plant the feeder was changed from a reserve feeder equipped with an overcurrent relay into a motor feeder, and that is happening more often as you may think. When using a Universal Relay 7SX82 you don't need to buy or exchange the existing relay with a fitting new relay, but you can easily modify the 7SX82 by adding function points when necessary and adapting the parameterization. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to scan the QR code and subscribe to our channel. More interesting information are waiting for you.